Amobi, I am one of the happiest men right now on earth. That parasite is out of my life. I'm so free. I feel so good. Can you imagine this lady trying to impose a pregnancy on me? Can you?
Because I knew something was wrong when I saw her with a kid together. To be honest with you, women can never pregnant out of my face.
But Amobi, hold on a second. You suspected something and you didn't alert me?
Yeah, but just that I wasn't too sure of it. And then I decided to be calm until they come up with something funny and then know what next to do. You know how it is now, mostly when you don't have concrete evidence to back up your accusation.
I see, that's okay.
To be honest, my prince, I'm so happy that she is finally out of your life. But then I ask, what's the way forward considering what you're going through?
I mean, I'm not healed yet, but I'm happy. I feel good. Yeah. And even though I'm lonely, and for the fact that there's a vacuum, it'll be easy for somebody else to fill it up. I just can't wait. I wonder who that woman will be.
Let's keep hoping she comes. I mean, I know she's going to be the luckiest one on it.
Happy?
Oh yes.
Or Nami could be the luckiest one. Knowing which had to go through now. Now, wow.
The lion himself. Odogu. Osgo, at least I'm happy seeing you very happy. It's been long and last. So you is happy.
Yeah.
Who is pursuing you?
Miss.
Who they pursue you now?
She wants to get me arrested.
Who exactly?
Miss Cassie.
Oh. Why? I thought she's your lover.
Yes, she is. And I got her pregnant. So, she's now blaming me for being responsible for I broke up with the prince. Yes.
You got her?
Yes, I did. And I told her that I'm not ready to father the child.
My God, you too much! You be striker. You know.
What did you worry you?
It's too much, my guy.
I'm serious and you are joking. Eh? She's after me with some police officers. So please, let's go to her so that I can hide.
Wait, you say police?
Yes.
Police.
Yes.
You know I'm serious. I'm serious.
Wait, what kind of a man are you? What kind of a man are you? Eh? You left your girlfriend heartbroken and you're here disturbing me. What is it?
I didn't break her heart. I did all of that because of you. It's you I want.
The gods forbid it. The gods forbid that I marry you. Never! Never! You irritate me.
Excuse me. Is all of this because of Sophia? She insulted you?
Listen, all I can tell you is that you should go back to your girlfriend because she loves you. I don't even know what she sees in you that makes her love you this much.
Okay, now listen. If it's because of Sophia, I'm going to settle the problem, okay? I'm going to settle her, I promise you. She won't bother us anymore.
That one is your business. You see that one you're talking about is your business.
Kamara, I love you. Don't just break my heart. Don't injure this heart.
Go back to your girlfriend, though. Go back to your girlfriend now. Go back to your girlfriend.
I can't imagine a world without you. Kamara, can't you understand? I can't live without you. It's you I want to spend the rest of my life with.
Look at this one. Hey, look at this one. You better start imagining it, though. In fact, the earlier you start imagining your life without me, the better for you. Because as you're seeing me here, I am the prince's wife. I am the wife of the prince. Anyways, I was busy in there before you came here to disturb me. When you're done, you can turn around and leave my house. Love my...
Kamara, come.
Mama! Welcome. Mama, what's wrong? You're so happy. What's going on?
Oh, so you people are not ready. The prince is about to pick a wife.
Wow! This is good news.
Yeah, that's good news.
Wow!
Mama, you must be part of the competition. You must take part in that competition.
Mama, I'm not interested.
Eh?
I'm not interested.
You have to be interested, though. You have to marry the prince.
Mama, please. I am not interested. Please, count me out.
Talk to your friend. You will be part of that competition. You must marry the prince.
Mama.
Can't believe this. Can't believe Mama made this.
What's up?
Mama,
How is the food?
I'm very delicious. So, Mama. So tell me, what do you want me to do for you this time?
Are you telling me I cannot prepare special meal for my special daughter?
I'm not saying that, oh Mama, but Mama, you know now, you know what has been happening. It's been long you treated me like this, so.
In other words, you're saying I am not a good mother.
Mama, how can you say that? In fact, you are the best mother anyone can have.
Kita Kebia. Now you are talking.
Mama, me too. Thank you, Mama. Hey, today is a wonderful day.
It's for you.
Thank you, Mama. Only me, Mama.
Yeah.
Thank you, Mama. Mama, so what do you think about this? Mama, come and sit down. How are you standing? Come and sit down. Let's talk.
Hey.
Mama, so tell me, what do you think about today's competition?
You mean today's competition? Today's competition should be for ladies of the same social status with the prince.
Yes.
Eat. You want to go for today's competition so that you go there and embarrass your generation. Nah, sleep. Am I not Uzommili? Sleep well. Come to the bed. Let me go and arrange your bed. I'll take you inside.
How are you?
I'm fine, Mama. Mama, where is Kamara?
Why are you so happy?
Mama, don't you know what today is?
What is so special about today?
Mama, the prince will get to pick his bride today. And also, Kamara will get to prove to everyone those false claims she's been making about the eagle of Ugoloma perching on her.
So you are here to take Kamara, my daughter, to the palace so that you will make jest of her, right?
Mama. Why would you say that about me? Kamara is my friend. I'll never make jest of her.
Well, let me tell you, your plans will not work. Kamara, my daughter, is not around. She went to her maternal home to deliver something to her grandmother, my mother.
But we both agreed to go there together. And Kamara never does anything without telling me. How come she left without telling me? It's not fair now.
My daughter, life is not always fair. Ndo?
Well, Mama, please tell Kamara I came when she gets back.
She will hear.
Thank you, Mama.
You want to take her to the palace so that you disgrace her. She will disgrace herself and her entire generation.
What's all this thing?
Hey, just calm down. Babe. Oh, just calm down.
Calm down for what? Have you seen it? I told you I don't want to go for this. Have you seen the embarrassment? Huh?
Calm down, girlfriend. It's not your fault. You and I already know that you went there because you wanted to make our mother happy.
So, of all the girls that went for that competition, the prince couldn't find anyone?
So? Like so? That should be his business. Babe, shut up.
Do you know the one that is paining me most? I told mother that I don't want to go for this. Yet she insisted. Have you seen what she has caused?
She's a mother. A mother who only wanted the best for her daughter. Babe, you shouldn't blame her.
Do you know what it means for me to be competing with those village girls?
Oh, I get it. I know where all this anger is coming from. Babe, shut up now.
Please, don't tell me to share. I am not happy. I am not happy with mother at all. I told her, but she wouldn't listen.
I don't even know what to say to you again. Can imagine. Look at this. Let's get some first. Look, you're making these people to look at us and they're laughing.
See, at this point, they can laugh. At this point, anybody can say whatever they want to say. Please, leave me alone.
Calm down, babe. Calm down.
Mama, how long have I been sleeping? Is it time for the competition yet?
My daughter, you've been sleeping since yesterday. Even your friend came here looking for you and I told her you were not around. I purposely said that because I did not want her to disturb you.
I've been sleeping since yesterday. I don't understand, Mama. How?
The competition was yesterday. That is to say, you have been sleeping since yesterday.
Me? Sleeping since yesterday? Mama, is not... This was not what you were wearing yesterday. Oh. Mama, I've been sleeping since yesterday? When did I start sleeping like this now? How?
You slept off immediately after you finished eating that special meal I prepared for you.
Special meal? How?
Yes, dear. I have to put sleeping pill in your food. Because I did not want you to go for that competition and embarrass your generation. So I had to do it my way. I bought it from that chemist along the road.
No, Mama. Mama, no, you did not do that to me.
I did it now.
Mama, how could you have done that to me? Mama, can you... No, Mama, how? Mama! No!
Where are you going to? The competition is over. It was yesterday. You can never outshine your master.
Can't you wait now? Can't you wait? What is it now? Why are you not talking to me?
Why should I? Why should I talk to you? We had plans of going for the competition yesterday. And you left me and went to your maternal home.
Maternal home? Me? I didn't go anywhere.
You think I won't know? I came by your house and your mother said you went to your maternal home.
Oh God, so the competition was yesterday. So I missed it.
Yes, it was yesterday.
Oh God, I missed this competition. Why would my mother do this to me? Why? My mom actually drugged my mental health. Why would Mama do this to me? This is not fair at all. This is not fair. Mama. Is it not better she kills me? Is it not better she just kills me? Let me just know that she has killed me. How can she do this to me?
Stop saying that. Nobody is dying. You will not die.
What do you mean I will not die?
Hi. Is that not that girl? The strange girl? Is that not her?
It's the strange girl. My strange girl will be here.
What do you mean I will not die? What is life without the one you love in it? Eh?
See?
What is life without the one you love in it? Tell me.
Oh God, you're beginning to irritate me with this love talk about the prince.
What do you mean I'm beginning to irritate you?
Yes, you are. If not, why would you be imagining or even thinking about something you know is not possible? Don't let the king hear this. He will get you punished.
Kelechi, are you the one saying this?
Yes, now. Your mother actually did you a favor not allowing you go for this thing. Because you would have gone there to embarrass yourself. So you should be grateful to her.
Nobody believes me. My mother made me sleep for almost 2 days.
Auntie, stop the car.
Why do you ask me to stop the car?
I just felt an erection.
How is that possible? I thought that can only happen when I'm with the right woman. How come?
How did she do me a favor? She made me
Excuse me. Which of you saw the eagle?
And where do you think you're going with those things?
What? Please, this is a critical matter. Could you just stay out of it, please?
You must be out of your mind. How dare you walk out on me? How dare you?
My queen, I'm sorry about that.
Sorry for yourself. And you, what are you doing here?
It was the prince that brought my friend and I here to the palace, my queen.
Oh, interesting. Birds of a feather.
Look, mother, please stop already. Stop it. Let's go.
Now listen to me. Let today be the first and the last time you'll ever bring idiots into my palace.
Mother, my friends are not idiots. My guests are never idiots. Please. Let's go.
My prince should have explained to the mom that she would do.
Let's go. Come in. Come in.
Both of you, are you now ready to speak?
My king, I didn't see the eagle. He perched on me.
It's a lie. And you know you're lying. My king,
Father, you see, this is what they've been doing since. Back and forth, back and forth. I'm not even sure who's speaking the truth. What is going on here? You two think we're joking? You think this is some kind of a joke?
Now, can both of you tell us the truth and save us all this unnecessary stress? I am begging you to tell us the truth.
Look, both of you have no idea what it feels like to be in my condition. And that is why you think we're joking here. Otherwise, you won't be playing like this. Will you speak up? Are you trying to disrespect the king?
Son, please, I beg you to be calm. Huh? One thing is certain. I must find out the truth.
Right.
finally. Wonders shall never cease to happen. But I warned you, didn't I?
But please, don't even start now. Please, not now. Please, not now.
What is not now? Kamara, what are you saying? So you have finally dragged your friend into this mess. Two mad friends.
I can't believe that even the whole village thinks I'm lying. Then you too, you think I'm lying. I can't believe you think I'm lying too. It hurts.
I don't just think you're lying. I know you're obsessed with getting married to the prince and becoming the next queen.
Please, stop.
Why should I stop? Why should I stop? After you have succeeded in dragging my name to the moon, I am now a laughing stock amongst my fellow women in this village.
How? How did I make you a laughing stock? Is it I don't know what I'm saying or I don't know what I'm doing? What are you even saying? How did I make you a laughing stock? So even if any other person does not believe me, you cannot believe me. Are you not my mother? Who's not you that give birth to me? Have you ever seen me lie like this before? Have you ever seen me saying something that I don't know, I'm not sure of? Am I a liar? How would you believe me? How would you believe me?
Am I the one you're shouting at, Kamara? Wait. Am I the one you're raising your voice at? I said it now. It has started. I know this is how it's going to end. But I warned you. But you see this madness of yours, you will face it alone.
Mama,
you have grown wings.
No, Mama,
no problem.
Sorry. Please, Mama, please.
Don't just come close to me.
Please.
You're shouting at me, right?
Mama,
I talk, you talk.
Mama.
You're raising your voice. No problem.
Mama, please.
I'm
sorry, Mama. Forgive me. I didn't mean to shout at
No problem. You have grown wings.
Mama,
you're now my co-wife. No problem.
I'm sorry, Mama. Please.
Sophia, what are you doing here? I just wish my dad could come back and tell me you never meant those words he said. I have seen you love this guy so much. But I so hope he comes back. I was thinking of spending more time with you. In that case, I think we will But you want to spend more time with Mama. If you want me to spend more time with Mama, then you have to do it. I will. Are you happy now? I'm happy. Wow. Tomorrow, I'll pick you up. Wow, that would be so nice. Hey, why did you even think about this? Whatever. I am so happy. Now let's see you smile. Let's see
you. Babe, hurry! Let's go and come before the sun rises.
Hello. Please, where is Sioma?
Where is Sioma?
Why are you mimicking me? I only asked where Ihoma is.
Are you okay? Like, is something wrong with you? How dare you talk to me in such manner? Boyfriend snatchers.
Hey. Don't even go there. Don't say that again. Do I look like Kamara that snatched your boyfriend from you? By the way, I think you got what you deserved.
You're mad. Look at this village champion. Oh.
Hey! City champion.
What? What is wrong with both of you? Huh? Rubbish! Please, let me just... Kelechi. Has it gotten to the extent of you insulting my friend? What is it she did that you cannot pardon her for?
She started it. She insulted me first. By the way, that's not why I'm here. I think to tell you something.
I've been searching for you. I've been searching, it's true. I will search 1,000 miles until I find you. You're my own, you're the best thing in my life. I've been searching for you. I've been searching, it's true. I will search 1,000 miles until I find you. You're my own, you're the best thing in my life. Girl, in my heart, I know that's something I've been missing in my life. Oh, nah. Every night in my dream, girl, I see a blurry picture of you in my mind. Oh, nah. I've been to many places, I've seen so many faces, but nobody has filled this heart of mine. Yeah. I've been searching for you.
You don't mean it, Kelechi.
I do. I mean it. Look, girl, by the time I become the next queen of this land, I will make sure no city girl come here to intimidate our girls.
Wait first. You and Kamara, you will never stop this drama in this community. You mean both of you are now competing over the prince?
No, we're not competing over the prince. Kamara is just lying. I'm the one that saw the eagle.
You mean you saw the eagle?
Yes, I did.
So tell me, how does the eagle look like?
Wait, what kind of a nonsense question is that? Of course an eagle should look like an eagle.
Please go and sit down. I am even surprised the prince is taking you girls serious.
Why wouldn't he? His skin rose as soon as he saw me.
Kelechi, please, leave my house. I don't want to be associated with this rumor of a thing. What nonsense are you talking about?
Ihuoma, do you know you're asking the next queen of this land to leave your house?
Please leave. And never repeat such nonsense in my ears again. Do you understand me?
Okay.
I'll
go. I'll leave.
Hey.
Mama, please forgive me. I'm very sorry for raising my voice at you. Please forgive me, Mama, please.
I don't blame you. Yes, we are now mates. I mean co-wives.
Mama, we are not co-wives. I'm sorry. Please. Mama, I'm your child. Please forgive me. Please, Mama.
You have now grown wings. Then I will allow you fly to wherever you want with those wings of yours. Go on. Embarrass me anywhere you go. Embarrass me. I am now a laughingstock because of your stupidity and selfishness.
Mama, I know it seems like everything I'm doing is stupid and it seems very stupid. But I'm not stupid, Mama. I just wish you could believe in me a little more. You know, just trust me. Mama, you gave birth to me. I'm your daughter. You've known me since I was a baby. You know I cannot lie with something as serious as this. You know, Mama. Please, Mama, I'm your child. Please believe in me. Let me help you now. Let me sweep.
Leave me, I'll do the sweeping. I will not forgive you. If I must forgive you, it must be on one condition.
What, Mama?
Accept Gosiora. Until then, you are on your own.
Mama, please now. I need you to believe in me, Mama, please. This thing you're doing is not right. Stop it now. Mama, you're my mother. You and I cannot be cats and dogs now. I need you. I need you to stand by me. Even if no other person believes me, I want you to believe me, please.
Kamara, you cannot drag me into your mess. Clean it up yourself. Yes.
Mama, let me pray for you.
Let me do it. I can do it.
Babe, please repeat what you just said to me. Please, I don't want to utter that nonsense she just told me. My dear, those two girls are insane. Is there effortry for me? This is really serious. Altaya, I don't know where they got that temerity. Can you imagine?
Well, I like this their madness because this is going to help me in a way.
How can this nonsense possibly help you, madam?
Now Gosiora will know that this girl is dying for doesn't love him.
You mean Kamara?
Yes, and he's going to come back to me.
Don't tell me you still want that ingrate back.
No, don't call him that. You know I love him. You know I love him so much. See, babe, there's this thing in me. There's this thing deep inside of me that tells me that we are meant for each other.
Just know that I won't be there to console you again. I won't! Since you don't want to help yourself and leave Gosiora alone, what did you even find in that young guy?
This time around, you don't have to console me. Because I am going to be the happiest woman in this world. And babe, I am no longer leaving this village anytime soon. I am chilling here.
If you love Neme. Okay. It's alright. So far, it will make you stay a little longer.
I am staying. This is good.
So even a mad woman loves the life of love. Give me one good reason why I should not be hard on her. Give me one good reason.
Listen, she may be telling the truth. If there is one thing I know about this lady, she does not lie.
So she so much hates poverty this much? She hates poverty like this?
What do you mean? Who likes poverty? What did you talk?
I did not know she hates poverty. So much so that she had to lie to the prince. See, I wonder why she did not just do what we asked her to do for us. That is the problem. That would have been more honorable.
I will never. I will rather die in poverty, partake in that dirty game you want me to partake in.
So tell me, which game is more irritating than the one you are playing right now?
I'm not playing any game. Believe it or not, I am the chosen one.
Oh, yes. Okay. We shall see. Choosing one. The choosing one. See the choosing one. Say, is that necessary? What?
What you just did, is that necessary? Listen, let's just allow the girls. Let them do their work.
Go and sit down.
Let's go.
The chosen one!
It's okay.
We hello.
What's your problem? This girl, something that she
Ukoloma! Why are you doing this to me? Why? Why? Why would you let this happen? If it was not your ego that perched on me, then take this conviction away from me. I don't want it anymore. People are laughing at me. Everybody calls me unserious. They call me a liar. They call me desperate. Just because I want to keep your instructions. And yet you keep quiet, Ugoloma. Ugoloma, you don't do anything. Ugoloma, I'm tired. I don't want this anymore. I don't want this anymore. I don't even want the eagle anymore. Please take it to my friend. You saw what happened to Ugoloma. She wants it badly. Ugoloma, give it to her and let me be free because I'm tired. I'm tired. I'm tired. Even my own mother laughs at me. My mother calls me mad. She doesn't believe me. I don't want this Ugoloma. I'm tired. I don't want it anymore. Take it away from me. Give it to my friend. She wants it so badly. Let her have it. Make the same ego perch on her, Ugoloma. Ugoloma, I am tired. I am tired. I am tired, Ugoloma. Still in shock, Kelechi. I can't believe what is happening. Kelechi, a man that is not even yours. Kelechi, hey, why are you even lying? You're not going to gain anything from it because the truth will still come out. Why are you lying? What's the lie about? Eh? I'm asking you, what's the lie about? I want you to talk to me.
Stop lying. Stop lying, Kamara. Tell the truth. You
Enough!
all...
Enough, the both of you. What is wrong with the both of you now? Listen, in case you don't know, this matter has gone around the whole community. And as a matter of fact, the both of you are now the topic of the day, topic in everyone's mouth. What is it now?
God. Tell her. She's the one lying. Tell her. Tell her.
I'm finished. I'm just a god. What is all this? See, Kelechi, you know you're lying. Why don't you just say that you're lying? Anyway, I know Ugoloma will vindicate me. I know that one for sure. I know.
Shut up, liar.
Listen, I am not here for this argument. But one thing I know for sure is that between both of you know who is telling the lie, who is telling the truth and who is lying. One thing I don't understand is why best of friends all of a sudden becomes the enemy. Worst enemies in that. Worst enemy at that. What is the matter? Anyways, you can kill yourselves here for all I care. Okay? And we'll still bury both of you in this same community. Remember, I will see you tomorrow at the palace.
Tell her. We'll see you. We'll see you.
Kelechi. Hey. Wonders shall never end in this life. Kelechi. all I will say is, may the gods have mercy on you. That is all I will say to you.
It is you who needs their mercy.
Guy, why do you ask we meet here?
Yes, I want you to accompany me to go and see that girl.
You don't know. So she will pause or total.
Come on, why would she do a thing like that? See, Kamara is not a bad girl, okay? She's only doing what every reasonable woman will do, so don't crucify her yet.
I'm surprised at you, Sarah. If it were Sophia, would you have condoned this from her?
What does that supposed to mean?
No, I am asking. It is a question. The way I see it, you will come back here to beg for Sophia's forgiveness. And both of you will surely end up together.
Story. I say story. My friend, are you accompanying me or not?
Zibifos, I beg, don't stress me. Don't stress me at all.
Get ready. Get ready tomorrow. We are going to see her.
You are begging and you are still proud. Say it well.
You don't have a choice, nigga. Just get ready, okay?
Okay, I'll think about it. No. I'm not free.
Who is your queen and what are you doing here? What are you doing here? Haven't I told you never to come close to my son?
I'm sorry, my queen.
You even went as far as announcing it to everyone.
My queen, I'm sorry. I couldn't help it. I just had to tell the truth, my queen.
You had to tell the truth? What nonsense truth? Now listen to me. My son cannot marry a bastard.
My queen, I don't understand, my queen. I am not a bastard, my queen.
Oh, really? Your mother didn't tell you?
My mother? Tell me what, my queen?
Well, you have to go and ask your mother some important questions about your life.
My queen, I'm confused. Please, what do you mean, my queen?
There's nothing in what I just said. What I said is, you are a bastard. Oh, don't you understand? And it's a taboo. I mean, it's against our tradition for the prince to marry a bastard.
My queen, I am not a bastard. My mother is still alive.
Your mother, you say?
Yes, my queen.
If wishes were horses, even the lame will ride. I wish she was your mother.
With all due respect, my queen, please, do not speak ill about my mother.
Oh, shut up! Shut up your mouth! How dare you? Dare you utter a word when I'm still speaking?
I'm sorry, my queen.
Very good. Well, since you have decided to disobey me, I want you to know that if you open this your mouth again and accept that you saw the eagle, I'll make you and your family's life unbearable. Now, get out. Get out! Out!
Where is my son? He should be here with us.
My king, he refused to come. He said he's not coming for the meeting, that all he wants to see is the right woman.
I think I understand his pain. It is not easy.
So, where is he now?
In his room, though he said he doesn't want to see anyone.
Don't worry, it's my son. I can talk to him.
My queen, I don't think it's a good idea.
And who are you to tell me what to do with my son?
I'm sorry, my queen.
Can we go over to why we are here?
Well, young woman, where is your friend?
I'm here to see her. No.
Is she not aware of what we are doing today?
She is my king. She's very much aware.
You never can tell, Your Majesty. These young maidens that are living forced life here and there. It could be a way of telling us that she is the one lying.
Well, let us not be in a hurry to start passing judgments. Let us wait a little bit longer. It is possible that she will still come.
Why would she be late to such an important gathering?
My king, can I please go and check on why she's not here? Maybe something came up.
That would be necessary. I mean, she's aware we're going to be doing this today. Let's just allow it. I'm sure the gods are trying to pass a message through this.
What message?
That most likely she is not the one.
In that case, I think Onowu has a point here. Amobi.
Yes, my king.
Don't go anywhere. Hmm?
Okay, my king.
Let's wait a little bit longer for her.
Okay, my king.
Mama! Mama! What is it? Why are you shouting my name? Mama, why? Why what?
Why? Why?
Why what? Now talk to me. Why are you crying?
Mama, who are my parents? Where are they?
Parents? I am your mother. Your father is late, as you know.
No. Mama, that's not what I'm talking about. I want to know who my real parents are. Where are they, Mama?
Where is this coming from? And who is feeding you with all this
lies?
lies?
Mama, stop asking me questions and give me my answer. I want to know, where are my parents? Where are they?
I am your mother. I gave birth to you. You know that.
God, Mama, tell me she's lying.
Wait, who is lying?
The queen. The queen called me a bastard. She said I'm a bastard.
No. You're not a bastard. You can't be a bastard. You are my daughter. Eh? You see why I don't want you to go there? I know they will humiliate you for me. I know I've been avoiding that. You're not a bastard, my daughter. Eh? Hey, you're not a bastard, are you there? I am your mother, don't mind her. She's only trying to humiliate you. Eh? You're not a bastard. Eh? You cannot be a bastard. Eh? But you didn't know. You're not a bastard.
Stacy, is this you? You're looking takeaway.
Hi, how are you?
I'm doing very well, and you?
As you can see, I'm good.
It's okay, come in.
No, not to worry. Actually, I'm here to see your girlfriend. I mean, it has been long we saw each other.
Oh, she's not in town right now.
Where is she?
I hope there's no problem.
No, not at all. There's no problem, you know. Girls' things
want to hang out with my friend. She's my friend and it has been a while.
It's okay. Then why don't you call her on the phone?
That's the problem. I've been trying to reach her on all of her lines, but none is reachable.
It's okay. In that case, when next I'm going to the village, I'm going to inform her that you came around.
Village? What is she doing there? I mean, what happened? Why is she in the village?
Oh, she only went there with her friend to chill out, that's all.
Oh, it's okay. Please, can you do me a favor? Why don't you take me along when you're going to the village? Please?
That's not a problem at all. If you want to tag along, fine.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
But come inside and take something chill.
It's okay.
Stacy, it's me!
Take care.
Stacy! Get out! Get out of here! Get out of here and never come back again! Wicked girl!
Please, what have I done?
You've done everything wrong! Liar! Get out!
Mention my name ever again. What were you even thinking? That my son, the heir apparent to the throne, will stoop as low as settling down with you? Take a good look at yourself. Just look at
my queen, I've not done anything wrong. I've not done anything.
You better get out of here before he changes his mind and have you arrested.
Look, mother, can you ask this girl to leave here immediately? Before I lose my temper?
Alright, time up. Out.
Just get out.
Go back to your home or not you have one. Go back to your house. Now get out. Guards! Out! You really want me to do something funny?